Hey everyone, how's it going? This is a Prestashop versus Shopify review video and which one would be better for you. Now, if we look at the pricing, you see for Prestashop you do get a free download and installation with no monthly fees, and for Shopify the subscription plan starts from $22 to all the way $300 per month. So there are no commissions on sale for Prestashop, and for Shopify you see commissions range from 2% to 0.5%. Now for design, as you can see for Prestashop you get more than 2500 templates, and for Shopify you get 260 templates. Now e-commerce features is almost the same for both of them, and for customization you get access to core files in Prestashop but not for Shopify. And then you can see both of them are like Prestashop it's SEO friendly, while as Shopify it's user friendly. Now which one should you go for? For that we're going to look for another website. We're going to see the pros and cons, and this is where you get to decide. So as we spoke, for Prestashop it is free to install and set up, highly customizable, offers full control over your store designs, provides powerful features through third-party modules, and for Shopify you see offers multiple subscriptions, provides a lot of design, powerful out-of-the-box features, response through support various channels. And then the cons would be Prestashop requires technical knowledge, it requires maintenance, updates, and there's a steep learning curve. Whereas for Shopify, you can see limited customization options, is not reliable on it is reliable on third-party apps for extended features, and you get less control over your data. Now to sum up, Shopify, who is it best for? This is best for beginners who are looking for an easy to use platform to set up an online store quickly. And Prestashop are for people who already have some technical knowledge and they are looking to have more control and customization over your online store. So let's say you don't have any money but you have a lot of technical knowledge and things like that. In that case, Prestashop would be the way to go. But let's say you have some money and you are a beginner and you're looking for everything to be set up for you. It's not like you cannot customize everything in Shopify. You can, but it's just more vast in Prestashop. And this is it for the video. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials like this, and I'll see you guys in the next one.